day everyone. Our topic is being a working student. Today, I like to talk about something many of us can relate being a working student. It's a journey filled with challenges, sacrifices, and lessons that shape who we are and who we want to become a successful. The advantage idea of our topic, being a working student, teach us responsibility, independence. So we learn to value time because every hour counts whether we're studying for an exam or pursuing for a shift. So we also gain real world experience that many of our classmates might not have yet. Working allows us to develop practical skills like communication, teamwork, financial management, and of course, earning our own money gives us a sense of pride and confidence knowing that we can support ourselves even in small ways.
However, if we look at from natural point of view being students, it's truly balancing act. It's not purely good or bad. It depends on how we handle it. It requires strong time management, disciplines, and commitment. Some students find motivation in their busy schedules, others may struggle to keep up. The experience molds of shaping our priorities and teaching us what really means to work for our dreams.
Advantage of being a working student includes stress from balancing work in school, potential for poor academic performance, and the lack of time for social activities, rest, and family. This combination can lead to lower grades, increased fatigue, and overall burnout. Working students might increase anxieties and fatigue, find it difficult to participate in extracurricular activities, and feel overwhelmed by their responsibilities.